Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Steam authentication timeout rusts. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So I can provide you some general troubleshooting steps to address Steam authentication timeout issues in Rust with an EAC or EC anti-cheat. Okay, disconnect error. So keep in mind that the game and its anti-cheat system may have undergone changes or updates since then. So it is always a good idea to check for more recent information or official support sources if available. So let's get started. So first, check Steam server status. Before attempting any troubleshooting steps, ensure that Steam servers are up and running. Sometimes, authentication issues can be caused by server outages or maintenance. You can check the status of Steam servers or on the Steam website or other online tools that monitor server status. Restart Steam. So sometimes, simply restarting Steam can resolve authentication and connection issues. Close Steam completely, including any background processes, and then launch it again. Next is to verify game files. In the Steam client, right-click on Rust in your library, go to Properties, click on the Local Files tab, and then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them if necessary. Next is to disable firewall or antivirus. Temporarily disable any third-party firewall or antivirus software that might be interfering with the connection. They could be blocking the communication between the game and the Steam servers, leading to authentication timeouts. Next, check network connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and not experiencing any issues. If you are using a Wi-Fi connection, try connecting via Ethernet cable to see if that resolves the problem. Next is to flush DNS. Open the command prompts. So to do that, just go ahead and open Windows and search for command prompt or terminal if you are using Mac OS and type the following command. So once the command prompt is visible on your screen, just go ahead and type this. So ipconfig space /flush DNS and press enter. So once you've done that, this will clear the DNS cache, which could sometimes help with connection problems. Next is to reinstall EAC. If the issue persists, there might be an issue with EC anti-cheat or EAC. You can try reinstalling it by going to the Rust game folder, locating the EC anti-cheat folder, and running the EC anti-cheat _ setup.exe file to repair or reinstall the service. And lastly, contact support. If none of the previous steps work, it is best to contact Rust official support or visit their community forums. They might have specific solutions or workarounds for known issues. Remember to be cautious when attempting any fixes and ensure that you are not violating any of Rust's or Steam's policies in the process. Additionally, always keep your system and software up to date for optional performance and security. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!